Good morning, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in the last session, we have covered the percentage chapter, and that chapter were fully solved. In this session, we will discuss about the new chapter. Actually, the chapter is set. So, this is the first session of this chapter. So, this chapter is all about a new concept. Set is actually a new concept. So, we will first learn that what is set. What is set? Set is like a collection of something. Set means, or set is like collection of something. It is collection of something. Collection means it can be anything. It can be collection of some like books, collection of toys, or collection of anything. Can be collection of toys, can be collection of books, can be collection of flowers, can be anything. So set means actually collection of something. Therefore, we can define set as a collection of well defined objects. Collection of well defined objects. In definition, if we say about the definition of set, we will say it is a collection of well defined objects. Now, what is well defined? What is well defined? What is well defined? Well defined is actually a clearer concept or clearer object. That means we will particularize object. That is well defined object. Well defined means absolute clear object. Well defined means actually absolute clear cut, or you can say absolute clear object. So let us take an example so that you can easily understood that what is well defined. Suppose I am writing a statement or example, a collection of flowers. Now the question is this statement well defined? If this statement is a well defined, then this collection will form a set. My question is, the statement given a collection of flowers. A collection of flowers, is this the statement is well defined? If this statement is well defined, then it will form a set. Now the statement says only flowers, a collection of flowers. It is not mentioning anything like the color. What is the color of those flowers, or what is the name of that flower? It is not defined anything. That means the statement is not well defined, because flowers can be anything. It can be red flowers, it can be white flowers, it can be yellow flowers. The colors can be anything, but it is not defined properly. That means the statement is not well defined, and as the statement is not well defined, it will not form a set. But if we suppose add a word, a collection of suppose red flowers, we have edited the sentence. The new sentence is a collection of red flowers. Then this statement is a well defined statement, because all the flowers are red in color. All the flowers are red in color. That means here flowers are well defined by its color. Right? That means the statement is a well defined statement or well defined object, and thus as it is the well defined statement or well defined object, the collection or the statement will form a set. Right? So that is the meaning of well defined, absolute clear object. The statement should be absolute clear, or the object should be absolute clear, should be well defined. Another example, suppose another example 1, example 2. Example 2, suppose a collection of books. A collection of books. Is this the statement is well defined? Answer will be yes. The statement is well defined, because here it says a collection of books. Books means only there are books and they are collected. Suppose there are 5 to 6 books, or it can be many more, but only there are books, there are no other things. That means the object books is well defined here, absolutely clear object. Therefore the collection will form a set. Another example, a collection of, suppose, fruits. A collection of fruits. Now, is this the statement is well defined? Answer will be no. The statement is not well defined, or the object is not well defined. Here the object is fruits. Here the object is fruits. Now fruits can be anything. It can be guava, it can be mango, it can be grapes, it can be apple, anything. That means here fruits are not well defined. We have to mention the name of the fruit. Only then the objects will be well defined. Therefore, this collection will not form a set. Therefore, the set is a collection mainly, and collection of a well defined objects. The objects must be well defined. If the objects are well defined, then the collection will form a set. Right? So on the basis of this concept, this exercise is given, exercise 10a, and here some statements are given one by one, and we have to answer whether the statement is well defined or whether the elements are well defined. And if it is well defined, then it is okay, and if it is not well defined, we have to give the reason why it is not producing set. So the first statement is given, all the easy problems in your textbook. All the easy problems in your textbook. That means here it says the collection of easy problems. Collection of easy problems in your textbook. Now we have to say whether these elements form a set or not. Elements, here the elements are easy problems. These are the elements. What is element? I will answer in the next session, that what are elements. So the question is, all the easy problems in your textbook. Here the elements are easy problems, and we have to answer whether this statement will form a set or not. Now see, the statement will not form a set. Not form a set. What is the reason behind it? It will not form a set because see, the element is easy problems. Now the question is, the problems that are easy for you, that might not be easy for others. The problems which are easy for you, that might not be easy for others. So you cannot say the problems, all the problems are easy, because those problems, they are easy for you, but those problems might not be easy for others. So you cannot say that these problems are easy. It depends on individual. It depends on individual candidates that these problems are easy for her or not. So you cannot say that all the problems are easy. Right? So this statement is not a collection of well-defined objects or well-defined elements, and thus it will not form a set. That is the reason you have to write. Next, question number 2. All the three-sided figures. All the three-sided figures, here the element is three-sided figures. This is the element. All the three-sided figures. So this statement will form a set. This statement will form a set. This statement will form a set because here element is three-sided figures. Three-sided figure means like it can be triangle, three-sided figures, or it can be like this, three-sided figures. Clear? It is also a triangle. It can be suppose like this. The shape can be anything. The shape can be anything, but all the figures are three-sided. Therefore, all the figures will be triangle. The shape can be anything, but all the figures will be triangle because it says three-sided figures. Therefore, it will form a set because here elements are well defined, three-sided. But suppose if the three-sided word is omitted, it says only all the figures, then you cannot say that it form a set because the figures are not well defined. The figures can be three-sided, figures can be four-sided, figures can be more than four sides. Therefore, in that case, the elements will not be well defined. In that case, the answer will be that it will not form a set. But in this case, if it says all the three-sided figures, then your answer is yes, it will definitely form a set. Next, question number 4. Question number 4 says all the tall boys of your class. All the tall boys of your class. Here the element is tall boys. The statement will not form a set. Not form a set. Will not form a set. Will not form a set. Because here says all the tall boys. Now what do you mean by tall? A boy who is tall for you, the boy might not be tall for others. a boy who is tall for you, that boy might not be tall for others. Because here no measurement is given. How can you say that the boy is tall? There must be a measurement. If the question says that all the tall boys greater than 5 centimeter or all the tall boys greater than 5 feet, not 5 centimeter, 5 feet, all the tall boys greater than 5 feet are in your class or belongs to your class, then the statement would be true because the collection is well defined. The statement in that case will form a set because they have given a range. They have given a range greater than 5 feet. In that case, the statement will form a set. But here no range is given. They say only all the tall boys. Therefore, the given statement will not form a set because here no range is given. Next, question number 6. All triangles that are difficult to draw. All triangles that are difficult to draw. Here elements is triangle that are difficult. Triangle that are difficult. This will not form a set. Will not form a set. Because here the same explanation that all the triangles that are difficult to draw. It will not form a set because the triangles that are difficult to draw for you, that might not be difficult for other candidates or other students. They can find those triangles easy to draw, but in your case that triangles are difficult to draw. So it depends on individual. The triangles that are difficult to draw for you, those triangles might not be difficult for others. So that is, it depends on individual how she can or he can draw triangles. So this statement will not form a set because here the elements are not well defined. Next, question number 8. All tasty fruits. All tasty fruits. This will also not form a set. Will not form a set. Here element is tasty fruits. Now the fruits which is tasty for you or which you might find tasty, those fruits, they are not tasty for others because individual preference can be different. The fruits which is tasty for you, those fruits might not be tasty for others. Therefore this statement also will not form a set because the elements are not well defined. The fruits, tasty fruits, is not well defined. This is the reason. Question number 10. All the good schools in Delhi. This is also not form a set. Will not form a set because good schools means they have not given a parameter. How they have clarified that those schools are good? There must be some parameter. On the basis of those parameters, you can say that yes, this school is good, or no, this school is not good for others. So they have not given any parameter on the basis how they can say the schools are good. Therefore this statement will not form a set. Question number 12. All the boys in your class whose heights are more than your height. Yes, this statement will form a set. Will form a set. This statement is will form a set because it says all the boys in your class whose heights are more than your height. Suppose your height is 4 feet 5 inch. Suppose now the boys in your class whose heights will be more than 4 feet 5 inch, those boys will come in your first preference. That means here object is well defined. Here objects are boys in your class greater than your height. Here already the range is given greater than your height. Therefore already they have given a parameter. Those boys will come in the category they are more than your height. Their heights are more than you. Right. So therefore these they have given a parameter. They have classified a range. So therefore this will form a set. Answer will be yes. This will form a set because a parameter is given or a range of height is given. Right. So this is the all about the first exercise, and in the next session we will solve the second exercise 10b and discuss some theory portion. Then we will solve the next exercise. Okay. Thank you.